In this video, you will learn what is required to ensure sheds and equipment are clean, disinfected and maintained to a standard such that the risk of disease introduction and the production of unsafe eggs is reduced. An egg producer must ensure premises, equipment and transportation vehicles are designed and constructed in a way that minimises the contamination of eggs, allows for effective cleaning and sanitisation, and minimises the harbourage of pests and vermin that might carry diseases, and keep premises, equipment and transportation vehicles effectively cleaned, sanitised and in good repair to ensure the eggs are not made unsafe or unsuitable. To reduce the chance of eggs becoming contaminated, sheds and equipment must be cleaned and disinfected properly, and rodents, insects and wild birds controlled to reduce disease introduction and spread. It is important that you thoroughly clean and disinfect sheds and equipment, make every effort to prevent wild birds, rodents and insects from entering the shed where hens range and where eggs are processed or stored, and control pests and their breeding areas through effective measures, including removing fly breeding grounds, spraying insecticides and baiting rodents. To summarise, the best practice of the maintenance and cleaning of sheds and equipment requirements of the standard are to follow the standard, maintain a clean and safe environment, and control the risk associated with rodents, wild birds and insects. For further information about meeting your responsibilities to the maintenance and cleaning of sheds and equipment requirements of the standard, visit agriculture.vic.gov.au.